Hello and welcome to Online Storytime. My name is Miss Amanda and I work at the Lincoln County Public Library. I'm so excited that you're going to join us today. Today, we are going to be talking about colors. Do you have a favorite color? My favorite color is purple, but I love all the colors. What colors do you see behind me? I see some yellow and red and orange and pink and blue and purple. I see lots of colors. I'm really excited to talk about colors with you today. But first, we are going to clap and say hello. Are you ready? We clap and say hello. We clap and say hello. With our friends at Storytime, we clap and say hello. Hello, hello. Thank you so much for joining us today. All right, we are going to say goodbye to our colors so we can read a story. Are you ready? All right, bye colors. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, here we go. Now we can read a story. Our first story is our book of the month, and it is called Rain, Rain, Go Away. We gave away all of our book of the month really fast because you guys are fantastic. We gave away so many of our online storytime kits. So if you don't have the book of the month to follow along with, you can follow along with your Rain, Rain, Go Away book that you made. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Look, and last week we talked about clouds, and there's the clouds, and the rain is coming down in the clouds. We want to go outside and play. Let's see, the elephant has an umbrella, and the zebra has an umbrella, and the monkey has an umbrella. And what is the zebra gonna ride on? He's gonna ride his bicycle. Yeah, but they can't do it if it's raining. Come again some other day. Sun, sun, come this way. They're telling the sun, they're like, come here, come here. They want the rain to go away and they want it to be a bright and sunny day. We all want to run and play. They want to go outside and they want to run and they want to play. And do they want to get rained on? No, they want it to be a sunny day. We are tired of this rainy day. Oh, look at their faces. How do they feel? I think they feel sad. Yeah. They're not happy because it's raining and it's been raining all day and they don't want it to rain anymore. Rain, would you please go away? Did the rain go away? It did. The rain went away and now they have a beautiful rainbow. And they were really sad, but now are they sad anymore? No, they're smiling. That's how you can tell that they're happy. Oh, they're so happy because now it's a bright and sunny day and they can go outside and play. Let's look at the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Look at that beautiful rainbow. Very nice. So now they're so happy. All right, we are going to practice saying happy in American Sign Language. You're going to take your two hands and make them flat like this, and your thumbs are going to be up. You're going to put them on your chest, and you're going to go up. You're going to do happy, 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 happy. Good job. It makes me happy to read stories with you. All right, we are going to sing If You're Happy and You Know It, and we are going to clap our hands. Ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good job. And your face will surely show it, because if you're happy, then you're going to be smiling. Yeah. All right. Our next book is about colors, but it's also about feelings, because sometimes you might feel happy and sometimes you might feel sad and sometimes you might feel grumpy. And so this book is called My Many Colored Days by Dr. Seuss. So we are going to sing our author song for Dr. Seuss. Are you ready? The author writes the words, the author writes the words. Hi ho, did you know the author writes the words? Good job. So Dr. Seuss wrote this book, My Many Colored Days. Some days are yellow, some are blue. On different days, I'm different too. So this little person, sometimes he might feel yellow and sometimes he might feel blue. On bright red days, how good it feels to be a horse and kick my heels. Some days he feels red, bright red, and he feels like a horse who's kicking his heels. I think he feels happy. On other days, I'm other things. On bright blue days, I flap my wings. Some days he feels like a blue bird. Can you flap your wings? Yeah, good job. I think he feels free and light. Some days, of course, feel sort of brown. Then I feel slow and low down. Oh, sometimes he feels down. He feels brown. He might feel kind of sad. Then comes a yellow day, and whee! I'm a busy, buzzy bee. On yellow days, I think he's excited. He's buzzing around like a bee, and he's so excited, and he's going so fast. Gray day. Everything is gray. I watch, but nothing moves today. Oh, now it's a gray day. Maybe he feels kind of quiet today on a gray day when he feels like an owl. Then all of a sudden, I'm a circus seal. On my orange days, that is how I feel. Now he's orange and he's happy. He feels like a circus seal who has a big orange ball. He's going to balance it on his nose. Wow, he feels happy when he feels orange. Green days, deep, deep in the sea, cool and quiet fish, that's me. Sometimes he feels like a cool and quiet, and I think he feels peaceful when he feels like a green fish. On purple days, I'm sad. I groan. I drag my tail. I walk alone. Oh, when he feels purple, he feels sad. He's imagining that he's a big, sad dinosaur. But when my days are happy pink, it's great to jump and just not think. Now he's feeling pink and he's feeling friendly and he's feeling like a pink flamingo and he just wants to jump around. Then comes my black days, mad and loud. I howl, I growl at every cloud. Oh, some days he's mad. Do you ever get mad? That's okay. Everybody gets mad sometimes. And he sometimes feels on his black days like he's mad and he just wants to howl. Then comes a mixed up day and wham! I don't know who or what I am. On some of these days, he might feel two feelings at the same time. Have you ever felt two feelings at the same time? Yeah, sometimes you might be excited and happy, or sometimes you might feel sad and mad. Sometimes we feel two feelings at the same time. But it all turns out all right, you see, and I go back to being me. Look, and he is all those different feelings because everybody has all those different feelings, and you just feel different sometimes. So all those feelings make him who he is. That is very nice. And it's important because sometimes we can feel happy and sometimes we can feel mad. And when you feel mad and grumpy, it's really important to tell a grown up how you feel, and then you can feel better. All right, so our activity this week, you have a little person just like in the book, and you get to color your person and you can talk about how you feel. It's really important, even with little littles, that we talk about when they're happy. We tell them, we let them know, oh, you're feeling happy. So they can start relating their emotions to our words. So if they're upset, you can say, oh, I think you're upset right now, or oh, you might be mad. Let's talk about it. And it's really important to talk about how we feel. And on the back, you'll see all the different colors from the book and how they felt when they were those different colors. So when they were yellow, they were excited. And when they were green, they were calm and peaceful. And when they were gray, they just kind of felt quiet. So it's important to know that we can feel lots and lots of different ways, and that's okay. And it's okay to feel two feelings at the same time. All right, we are going to go back to our colors now. Here we are back with our colors. And this kind of looks like the last page in our book when he had all the different colors, because all the different colors and all the different feelings make us who we are. And that's really special. Miss Amanda feels two feelings at the same time right now because Miss Amanda isn't going to be at the library anymore. And that makes me sad because I'm going to miss all my friends. But I'm also really excited because I get to go work at the Living Arts and Science Center in Lexington, and I get to make lots of new friends. So I'm really going to miss having story time with you guys, but I'm really excited for my new job too. So it's okay to feel two feelings at the same time. All right, it is time for us to wave and say goodbye. Are you ready? We wave and say goodbye. We wave and say goodbye. With our friends at story time, we wave and say goodbye. Bye, everybody. I hope you have a great day.